Hey, Plant Pals, Mike Kid Gardener, and today is another video for the Winter Indoor Grow 2022, hashtag WIG 2022, hashtag WIG 2022. And I'm going to, as I mentioned in the short, I'm going to grow, well, actually I didn't do the short on this one yet, so I'm doing some Lemondrop Basil. I'm going to see, I've never tried this variety before, it's an unopened pack as you can see, so I'm going to give it a try and see if I like it. I've grown purple basil, I've grown Thai basil, Genovese basil, I've grown holy basil. I've grown pretty much every variety of basil that you can get, but I haven't grown this one, so I'm excited to give it a try. All right, so I'm going to grow it in my AeroGarden Sprout. So I'm going to go through the setup as I have before. It's very simple. This is your deck. That's the pump. This is the tray. I will fill it with water once I get it in place. These are your baskets. I'm going to do it a tiny bit differently this time, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sponges and I take the skewer and I poke through just to make sure that the seed is able to root all throughout this medium. Again, this is a generic medium I got off Amazon as opposed to the official sponges you can get from AeroGarden. Do that one there for a second. Normally I drop it in there and then I pick the whole sponge up. I'm just going to do this because it goes faster if I just do it off camera while I'm looking, not poke myself with the skewer. Alright, got that one ready. Same thing with this one. You know, I've shown this before, so if you want to see the process of me poking a sponge with a skewer, you can go back and watch it. And the reason why I'm not putting these in, I'm going to put the seed in here first and then drop the seed in there, so I think it'll be a little bit easier. Maybe. We shall see. I got my seeds. Again, this is going to be a very quick video because that's how easy it is to set up the AeroGarden Sprout with your own seeds. If you have the AeroGarden pod, it's even easier. You just drop the entire pod directly in. Matter of fact, the only problem I'm having is getting the seed packet open. So I'm going to take this same skewer and it's going to fight me. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the skewer and I poked it through the available hole so that I could get it to open, which I did. All right. Now what I like to do is open up the package and see the size of the seeds. And you can see these are very tiny little seeds. So I'm not even going to do this on camera because they're super tiny. I'm just going to put like 3 seeds per. Maybe I can show it. I'll try to do it looking through the viewfinder. It's probably not going to work. We shall see. Just going to try to pull those over. And hopefully I got them in the hole. Get in the hole! Alright. So then what I do is I take the sponge. I'll drop this in. Again, I usually soak these ahead of time, but just have so much things going on right now. I haven't really just been kind of doing things on the fly. Which can be a good thing, can be a bad thing. You never know with the chaos that goes on around here. And then I take so that it has a chance to see the light. So I poke a little hole and I drop it in. That one's good to go. And I will repeat that process. Take the seeds. I'm going to do it off camera definitely this time, so I can definitely see. So again, I'm putting about 3 seeds per hole. You can put less, you know, if you trust the germination and you want to go for it. See, look, I already dropped the seed out. You want to trust the germination, then you can put just 1 seed in. Poking the hole like that, dropping it in. I'm going to try to take the 1 seed. Hey, I did it with my giant fingers. Drop it in the hole. All right. Add a couple more. Again, all this is going to be real time, just so you can see how easy the process is. And so I got 3 seeds in there. And I got tons of seeds left in the package, just in case things don't turn out, I can try again. And sometimes that happens. Sometimes for whatever weird reason, they just don't germinate. They're not happy. They don't like the placement underneath the light or whatever. Or they, you know, who knows? There's all kinds of weird, that's why I call it chaotic gardening and not certain gardening, because it's never certain. It's always something can go wrong. And I accept that. And that makes it more fun for me, knowing that things can go wrong and not being all upset about it. Kind of going with the flow. All right. As I've done before, I got my weak hydrogen peroxide solution. I'm going to kind of go heavy because these sponges aren't even wet yet. And you just put the cap on there, like so. This cap goes on here, like so. And this one, like so. Get on there. Stay. All right. And I got my deck here, which I'm going to write the date and the hashtag WIG 2022. Be right back. All right. You can observe my terrible handwriting. Try not to bump the camera too much. So, I'm going to put hashtag WIG 2022. Stands for the Winter Indoor Grow 2022. And today's date. So I was kind of late on getting this one going, but there's no time limit on this collaboration. It's just get some seeds into whatever medium you're growing in. You have until the 15th of March. So this one might not be as beautiful as one that somebody started on the 7th. I'm a week behind on this one. So if you had started on the 7th, you'd be ahead of me. So it's 12, 14, 22. And that way you can follow along progress. All right, I'm going to take this and put it on the on its base. Fill it full of water. Put a cap full of the plant food, and it'll be good to go. All right, I will be right back. All right, I put the cap full of plant food in here. I'm going to fill this up to the line that says fill to here. So can't get much simpler. And there's also a window down here. And it is up to the line. It's actually a tiny bit over, but not a big deal. There you go. And that is my AeroGarden sprout with the Lemondrop Basil for the Winter Indoor Grow 2022. And I got a little Christmas buddy. Let's put him, set him right here. You can watch over things for me. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.